Guys, welcome to YouTube channel Foundation JEE. Today's lecture is continuation of our previous 4 lectures work kinetic and potential energy, law of conservation of energy and power. In this lecture we are going to discuss commercial unit of energy, or you can say electricity. Guys, for your better understanding of this topic, commercial unit of energy or electricity, will also solve one numerical problem for your better understanding. Okay, so guys, commercial unit of energy or electricity. Okay guys, what does mean by commercial? So those things which involves transaction of money is called commercial things, or in other words, buying or selling of things. Okay, so suppose you have a vehicle, suppose car, okay, or you have given it somebody on rent, then that time car is to be used for commercial purpose, okay, or shop. If somebody gives his shop on rent or take somebody shop on rent, then that time the shop is said to be used for commercial purpose because it involves money. Okay, now, so what does mean by commercial unit of energy? So guys, you know the SI unit of energy is joule. In commercial term, energy is measured in kilowatt per hour. Okay, so what does mean by 1 kilowatt per hour? So you know guys, kilo means what? 1000. So 1000 into 1, or this is in watt, or H is hour. Okay, next we can write this one, unit of watt is second, and H in hours. So this is equivalent to 3600 second. So this second cancel out, So you will get 3600, then again 000 or J. So this will come 3.6 into 10 to power of 6 joule. Okay, so guys, what you see, 1 kilowatt per hour means this much amount of energy. So what is importance of 1 kilowatt hour in electricity? So in electricity, 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 unit. Here, what does mean by 1 kilowatt or 1 unit? So we can say in words, when 1 kilowatt of an electrical appliances run continuously 1 hour, then electricity consumed by that appliance or appliances is 1 unit. Okay, when 1 kilowatt of an electrical appliances run continuously 1 hour, then electricity consumed by that appliances is 1 unit. Okay, now see one numerical problem for understanding the concept of commercial unit of energy or electricity. Okay, see, question guys, two bulbs 40 watt and one fan 120 watt runs 14 hours per day. Find cost of electricity for 30 days when electricity charges is Rs 6 per unit. Okay, so solution guys, so total power consumed by all electrical appliances equal to 2 into 40 watt plus 1 into 120 watt. So this will come 80 watt, or this is 120 watt, or total is coming 200 watt. Okay, so total energy consumed in 14 hours or per day equal to 200 watt into 14 hour. Okay, so this will come, guys, what, 2800 watt hour. Okay, per day unit of electricity consumed by all appliances electrical equal to this one divided by 1000. So this will come 2.8 kWh. So guys, 1 kWh equal to 1 unit. So this will come 2.8 unit. Okay, electricity consumed in 30 days equal to 2.8 into 30. Okay, so this will come 84 unit. Now cost of electricity for 30 days equal to 84 unit into Rs 6 divided by per unit. So this unit cancel out, or this will come Rs 504 rupees. Okay, so guys, what you say, the cost of electricity for 1 month is coming rupees of 504. Okay, so in such way you can use the concept of commercial unit of energy or electricity for your general life. Guys, if you think this lecture is informative for you and others, so please like and subscribe and share to your friends and family, so they also get benefit from this YouTube channel, Foundation JEE channel. Guys, in next lecture we will start a new topic, sound. So those guys who has not been yet on their YouTube notification, so please on it, so that whenever I will upload the next lecture, you will get the notification. So guys, thank you for listening and watching this lecture. Have a nice day. Thank you.